This is Mike from Stagecoach Road Sewing, and we have a Singer 101 here, made back in the 1920s. And if you're trying to take apart your Singer 101 and you've gotten to the motor and the hand wheel, you're probably stymied. You're going, how in the world do you get this stuff off? I took all the washers out of here, took the clutch knob off, and it just won't come off. And same with the motor. You twist lock off the cover, and the motor just won't come out of there. And it's pretty mysterious until you go over to the other side. And on the front of the machine, you'll find this screw right here. The little one. There's two screws. There's a cover here, a little grease cover. And next to it is this little screw here. And once you take that screw out, then your motor just pulls right out of there. And once you get your motor out of there, you'll see right in here some little set screws. Once you loosen those set screws, you should be able to get your hand wheel out of there. That's it. You just made your day better.